What's up, everybody?
I'll call you back.
Took a little road trip today.
Love you.
Gonna play around in the woods, go set up a deer stand.
Highway 40 East.
We up here in the sticks. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we're here. We're going straight through there. There's a creek back there. We're gonna go try to set up on the other side of that creek. It's a little thick. Still got my markers though, so we don't get lost. We're about to find out. Here's the creek we gotta cross. Look how nice that looks, huh? Alright, made it up. My stand's still there from last year, which is a good sign. Means nobody was back here. Just my little shooting lane I had. Want to see if I find any tracks on this creek. Looking for signs of them crossing. Looks like something right there. Look right there. I think we got it pretty cleared out. I'm gonna set this ground blind up. I'm gonna try to put it right there next to that tree. Just in case if I come out here one morning, it's raining or something, or it's really freezing. It's a little bit of work, but it's worth it. So what you think?
Looks good. Nice clearing.
That's my dad, in case everybody was wondering.
Trying to help my son get a deer this year.
It's been a long time. I can't stay off the water long enough to get in the woods. Alright, that's what we got so far. I'm gonna put some brush under it. Some more brush on the side and the top. I think we'll be pretty good. Alright, that's what we got. Let's see what it looks like from the inside. we are. Look at that. Perfect bow hunting spot. Even though I'm gonna use a gun. But they're coming right back from that corner. They got that creek right there. All kind of acorns. I think I'm gonna do pretty good. We close up the windows and head on out. Get up.
He's like, man, come on, I'm sleeping.
Look at that. It's starting to rain now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen a frog like that before.
You said you've never seen a person like you before.
Oh, here's another one. I'm about to steal his home.
Mm-hmm.
Got a slow road right there.
And he said it's right behind the trail.
We just came from that way. Taking my stand home and I just leave the ground blind. Let's see what happens. See if I can put something down. Could be. Hey y'all, that's gonna go ahead and do it for today. Just wanted to come out here, make sure the lane was still clear, wasn't too bad. Got my stand that I left from last year. I'm gonna just stick with the ground blind. Tomorrow, actually tomorrow and Sunday, got a fishing trip planned. So be on the lookout for a fishing video. Haven't done one in a little while, been kind of busy. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. And if this is your first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash that like. Comment below if you got any questions. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.